Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I went to Sally's. These are the things that I bought in order for me to tone my hair. I will be using the volume 20 and the Wella Charm toners. This is actually a moisturizing conditioner that I bought for my hair. What I'm going to be doing is mixing together Wella T35 and T15. This is what my hair looks like right now. It has a lot of orange tones, and if you look at my roots, they're actually really dark, and I'm so surprised that these toners actually toned my hair into one color, and you guys will see the ending. These are the things that I will be using or that you will need. I have two Wella toners. These are the colors that I'll be using, and basically what I'm doing now is just mixing together the both toners. The second one, that is T35. Then I went ahead and mixed together the volume 20. Something really important that I wanted to add is that since I will be using two toners, you basically have to use per toner 2 times the volume, so that means 4 doses of the 20 volume developer. After that, you want to go ahead and get something like a spatula and mix together the products. I did notice that it was a little, it took a little while in order for me to mix it together. But in the end, it turned out like a beige color. And here I am. Basically, I wanted to focus first on the ends of my hair because they were really orange. And yeah, I had those unwanted tones there. I also wanted to focus on the top of my head because I had hopes that it will change into all one color and tone really nicely, and it actually really did. Here I am just distributing the product all over my hair and making sure that the product goes thoroughly in there. So this is what it looks like after I was done, and I left it on for about 30 minutes with a cap on. Alright guys, and here is the end result. My hair toned really nicely. Again, everything is from Sally's Beauty Supply. Thank you all for watching, and please subscribe.